Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be finally doing the walk around of my 2003 F-150, aka Old Reliable. Do a little walk around outside. It is an XL trim. Eventually I'm going to get a bumper that is all black instead of the chrome strip, as well as the border around the headlights and the grille. It's currently sitting on 33s. These are Mudclaw Extreme MT 285 75 16s. Let's see if I can get a picture. You can see they're pretty aggressive looking. I like them. I got them for really cheap. And they're just sitting on actually the stock rims that I just painted black. Also, Bully side steps that I bedlined. It's also got the muffler elite with the good old 4-inch tip. It's got the canopy, of course, tinted windows. Do also have my stickers. Of course, we got Old Reliable, Trump 2020 fishing sticker, my manual transmission sticker, and jigs, along with my Trump flag with my homemade mount. Look at the inside, I guess. It's nothing special. It's just a standard black XL. Let's see. Key. It currently has 170,000 miles on it. 170,194. Not too high. I'll go around the other side. So you guys can see it from the other side. I need to clean it, but I've also got this Realtree bench seat cover. It doesn't fit perfectly, but keeps the seat nice because it actually has a really nice seat. Since it is an XL, it's just got like the, I don't even know what this is, like plastic floor, which is fine because I didn't want carpet anyway. It does have the cracked windshield right there all the way along. It doesn't go all the way through, but that's from when Dad used to snowplow with it. Yeah, not really anything special about the interior, you know. Crank everything, or manual everything, manual seat, no cruise control, cassette player. Does have some storage behind the seat where I've got my box back there that holds just some random stuff. We'll go ahead and take a look in the back. So in the back, we've got, that is a toolbox that I bought on Amazon, or not Amazon, excuse me, Craigslist, for $35, really cheap. Yeah, and I like it. It works good enough. I just got some random tools in there. Just some stuff that I might need, jumper cables, there's a little tool set in there. This is a long bed, so nice 8-foot bed. Can carry tons of stuff in here with the canopy. Yeah, that's about all in for there. Does also have the ladder rack since this was used as a paint truck. Personally, I really like the look of the rack. I think it just looks really cool on there. I like it. And I really, really like the way this thing looks. I got these tires on here, the wheels and tires, probably, I don't know, about 2 weeks ago. Brand new, don't even have 100 miles on them. Just completely changes the look of the truck. Doesn't look like a grandpa truck anymore. That's really about it. Oh yeah, under the hood, that's right. There's something. don't know if I'll be able to open this with one hand. Sometimes the hood's a little sticky. There we go. Does have good old 4.6. I did clean this recently, although I need to do it again because pine pollen. But as you can see, it actually looks pretty clean under here. It's a fairly clean engine bay. I'm gonna get a cold air intake one of these days. I don't know if you can see them. Oops. But in here, I've got some like knockoff brand ignition coils. There we go, and I can see them better on this side. Some high performance ignition coils. Seems to give it a little bit more pep, maybe. Once I get the air intake, it'll probably be even a little bit more peppier. Again, not too bad for a work truck. Remember, this thing was a pretty well-used work truck. It was my dad's, but he gave it to me. Oh yeah, another thing that I really like. This thing. The hood, or the visor. My dad put that on there the day he bought it. And I don't know about you, but I really like it. I think it looks really cool. Never gonna take that off. Next things for this truck, plan on getting the bumper, just finding one that's completely black without the chrome strip, along with a black frame. Also a black rear bumper, just because don't like chrome. Here are the old tires for the people who don't know what those look like. Just crappy things. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I covered everything. I think I did. I already made a video of how it sounds, so I don't need to do that. But, yeah, there's definitely some things that I'm going to do to this truck. Gonna get the ladder rack repainted one of these days. Probably put a leveling kit, even though it actually sits pretty level as it is. I don't know how well it looks on camera, but it's pretty level, and there's no leveling kit. This thing weighs a ton though, along with the rack, so dry, like with nothing in it, it weighs about 5,500 pounds. It's pretty heavy for a half ton. That's just because of the canopy and everything else, but anyway, I think that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm trying to get some other angles of it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll put a link, a little text box up in the corner of where you can find the muffler delete video if you haven't seen that yet, if you want to know how it sounds. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.